One of the most indisputable ways to upgrade your drone, the performance, the flight time, things like that, is changing the propellers. It's obvious. I mean, it's super cheap, dirt cheap. They really don't cost much. They all have their own different characteristics, whether we're talking about the pitch of the actual propeller or the amount of propellers themselves. On one end of the spectrum, we have biblades, literally just 2 propellers. That's good for efficiency. You're gonna get a lot better runtime, and then you're also going to get higher RPM. But then on the other end of the spectrum, we have 5-bladed propellers, sometimes even 6. There's probably 7 out there, but maybe one day I'll get around to that. And that 5-bladed propeller is gonna be good for grip and controllability, but for the main reason why I want to test them out today is because they're quiet. I love a quiet quad. The main reason I like whoops, because they're just discreet. They're extremely discreet. They don't make a lot of noise. They don't scare anybody. So today I'm gonna be taking the Firefly 20 Pro, and I'm gonna be ripping off these 3-bladed propellers and replacing them with the D51 2020 5 blades. So never flown 5 blades before, but I've seen them be flown and I was impressed. But the part that I haven't got to experience, other than the noise, is how they feel flying. So I will be throwing the VTX in here, tuning the quad for the 5-bladed propellers, and then on the field, I'm going to be switching them back and forth. So then I could see, is there really a difference? And I need to know, like right then and there. All right, I'm not gonna waste any more time, let's do it. This 04 came with the data cable. I already got plenty, so I'm just gonna take it out. Plug in this one. I'm probably gonna remove this antenna as well, because the drone got everything I need. So I don't need that antenna. And everything else should be good. Just gonna screw in the camera holes to these right here. Other than that, I mean, this installation is gonna be a breeze. All right, all my batteries are fully charged. Everything's ready to go. I'm gonna head out to Serrania Ridge Trail. Been here before, but there's usually a lot of people, so hopefully there's not. I know it's gonna be hot, but this should be a good time. I think I'm really gonna notice the flight differences when I switch back to tri-blades, but for this flight, I'm gonna do 4S, and I'm gonna go race mode just to see if I can get a little bit more latency, or less latency. Let's go. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's really high pitched, but it's like, oh shit. Okay. Don't mind the prop wash that's been there this whole time. Wow. Nice, okay. I do like this. I prefer this sound a lot more than what I had before. It's just a smoother, like, whining noise. They all have a certain type of like that kind of pig squeal sound, but this is like, I don't even know how to explain it. It sounds more aerodynamic. Ooh, did a little tree trimming. All right. Wow, okay. Yeah, this feels a lot better on 4S. Okay. Man, okay. I love it. Now I'm gonna have to do a little bit more on these, I'm gonna have to fly a lot more, actually. That's what I was trying to say. I'm gonna have to fly this a lot more to really get a good understanding of how it's gonna feel. But there's nothing weird. There's nothing out of the blue that I'm getting with this. The only thing noticeable is the sound. Wow. I'm traumatized from hitting this bench. Yeah, that was dumb. I gotta hit it though. Fuck. Never mind, no I don't. I did not. I already hit it once, I'm good. Okay, let's, Ooh, it really threw it back there. Wow. I think not flying this drone for more than a week, once you jump back on it, it's like a whole new quad all over again. This thing flies beautifully. Except for the prop wash, I have no complaints. 4S on a 2-inch quad should be illegal because this is amazing. Nope. Man. All right. I don't want to completely murder this battery. So let's put it down. That was fun though. Ha, okay. Holy shit, that was really fun. So let's get these tri-blades back on. I gotta find out. (4S) battery, tri-blades. Now we're gonna see the real difference. Okay. Yeah, it definitely has a different pitch. Damn, yeah, it is louder. Yeah, because even at lower RPMs, I could still hear it from like far away. And I haven't even gone 100% yet. Let's see. Fuck it. Yeah. I mean, it's for sure way quieter. Even just jumping out of a dive like that. Yeah. I mean, flight performance wise, I mean, I'm gonna have to try to fly the same way I did. Now, when it comes to like the cornering and stuff, yeah, that did have a little bit more slide to it. Definitely. So, okay. So I guess there is a noticeable difference. I was gonna say before, I don't even really feel a difference, but jumping back to them, yes, yeah, it's definitely different. It acts more like a bi-blade. Oof. Yeah, and it kind of feels like it could be because I'm like already midway through this battery. I was gonna say it takes a little bit more to throttle up. Yeah, I don't know why I just don't feel as comfortable flying these than I did with the 5-bladed. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to get used to these again. You know, I might not even put these back on, honestly. Yeah, this is loud. It's loud. It definitely is. So, I mean, a place like this, I would definitely run the 5-blades. I think the only quads that you'll really see a noticeable decrease in like the battery and runtime is gonna be like tiny whoops, because like every single milliamp hour matters. And with this, they still matter, but it's a lot less. Especially on a 4S quad, I mean, you could just keep flying. Yeah, I mean, these tri-blades, man, it kind of ruined tri-blades for me, honestly, on this quad specifically. This is loud, it's high-pitched. You know what that means? Just more attention that you don't want. I mean, yeah, it is noticeable how slidey it is. And it would be even worse on bi-blades. For me, I don't like bi-blades. I don't like the slidiness. I like it to turn when I need it to. Unless I'm doing something for like cinematic work, then it's just like, okay, yeah, that's fine. But for freestyle, which is like 80% of what I do, Nah, I need that grip. So the 5 blades might be my new favorite. Yeah, this is really loud. All right, time to land it. All right. Man, I don't know, that just felt a little bit more shaky. Like I was just kind of iffy about it. I didn't crash with this, but I think that's because I was flying more careful. Wow, okay. All right, you see that big ass building up there? So I'm gonna be taking the Firefly with the 5 blades back on, and I'm gonna be doing some building dives, and then I'm probably gonna rip this parking lot because it's empty. There's like 3 cars here, so this is the perfect time to do it. Yeah, hopefully this goes well. Haven't really building dove with these yet, so this is gonna be a first. All right, let's do it. Okay, nobody's coming. All right, let's do it. Oh shit. I'm getting some link quality issues. I wonder if that's because of the tree. I turned race mode off, so that wouldn't be a problem, but I might be too far anyway. Woo. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Oh my God. I always wonder what the people inside see. If they even see it at all. Oh shit. Oh my God. Okay, that kind of made me dizzy a little bit. Yeah. I could tell there's a lot less power at the bottom of that. Yeah, I think this is my last dive. Because this battery's getting a little sad. Man. I love these blades. Oh, piss poor trippy spin, but it's okay. We'll get it eventually. Oh my God. I think, yeah, those are the only 2 cars here. And there might still be people over there, so I'm gonna stay away. But besides them, this parking lot is mine. There used to be a mall right here. I guess they tore it down. I'm getting some warnings. I think that said RSSI low, but it was too quick. I couldn't see. I might turn the packet rate up on my radio because it's kind of high. It's at D50 right now. Low battery. That might have been the warning, but yeah, those link quality issues, it's kind of annoying. But it's all good. I think I got 1 battery left. I think that's gonna do it. Let's put this baby down. Oh, my car. Oh my God. All right, last pack. Okay. All right, let's see. The road is clear. Let's go it. I got a little too far off. Let me get out the road. All right, here we go. I don't like that one. Man, now it's starting to get hot. Yeah, I think this is why they suggest that you use props in when you're doing building dives, because props out will try to push you away from whatever you're diving. And I do notice that I'm kind of, it's a fight. That's why I keep turning towards the building. That's fine. I think I got enough. Definitely got enough. There's an arch here, but there's cars now. I really wanted to power loop it. Let me see. Not this one, but I could power loop this. The only thing is the exit is right over the street. And I don't want to take those types of risks. Oh, link quality real bad. It was almost as if it was interference. It was all at once. Yeah, I never really get link quality issues. I'll say that. I might have to take a look at this antenna because I'm pretty close right now. I don't see why that's happening. Man, this thing flies so good. And maybe I think I might have spoke too soon about the battery kind of lasting the same as like tri-blades, because I do feel like if this was tri-blades, it would have lasted a little bit longer than this. See, I keep getting link quality. That is not normal. I usually never get link quality issues ever. So, okay, that's a little concerning. I'm wondering if that's the transmitter or the build. I could double check that, I don't know, the antenna, make sure it's still there and all in one piece, because honestly, I haven't checked on it in a while. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at that, and I'm gonna wrap this up because I could be flying out here all day. Okay, let's land it, come on. Okay. Ah, man, that was so fun. 5-bladed propellers, I gotta say, that is definitely my favorite now. For this quad specifically, I haven't tried it on anything but a 2-inch, but all I can say is that was impressive. The sound is less screechy, it's less shrill. I mean, everything I'm looking for. If the power is still there and the controllability is still there, I mean, why not? Battery, of course, is gonna die quicker, but I mean, there's always a trade-off. Anything good that you find in FPV, there's gonna be something wrong with it. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for these 5-bladed propellers. If you guys are looking to upgrade your quad, whether you're trying to get more efficiency, more controllability, more speed, more runtime, anything like that, go ahead and change those props. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite props are and on what build. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all of that stuff. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.